So let's see, guys, what happens first time we turn it on. So we press and hold this home button for 3 seconds. And you can see it powers up. So we get this little screen. Download Samsung Gear. You can see we scroll here to see what happens. And power off. So first thing I think I'm going to do is, you can see here there's a little plastic screen protector comes on it. So I've actually purchased a little screen protector kit. So it comes in a little box, just a cheap one from eBay. So it says on the back here that it's actually high strength and it's thinner than film at 0.2 millimeters. So let's have a look. So let's open it up. We've got these dry wipes, wet wipes, and inside we should have 2 of these little screen protectors. If I can get them out. So they're tempered glass, and we've got a little tab here, and that's on the back. So just turn it around, it tells us that we have to peel this little sticker off, and it peels the mask off, and then we stick that to the screen. So let's just check the size. That looks pretty good. Certainly not too big anyway. So let's give it a go. I'm going to take off the new screen, and I think I'll not even wipe the screen because it's really clean. If you can see here, just out of the factory, it's really clean. So that's your best time to put on your screen guard. So you can actually see a little mark in the middle there, but that actually seems to be something in the display, so I'll not actually touch that. So I'll just set the watch down here, and let's give it a go. Try not to touch it. So I'm peeling off this old piece, and let's see, this mightn't go well. So you can see here I'm slightly to one side. And this is going to be fun, as predicted. So you can see there it looks fairly central. So let's just give it a little press. I'm just rubbing around in a circular motion to make sure it's nicely stuck to the screen. That seems to be it. Now it doesn't seem to be any film there on the top, so I think we'll call that mission successful. Let's give it a wipe and see how it looks. You can definitely see there that the screen protector's fitted. It is actually sitting a little thicker than I thought it would be. So I've got this little wipe, and my goodness, they weren't going to give me too much. So we've got about 2 inches square. So I'll certainly not blow my nose with that. So let's give it a little wipe. So you can see here, what do we have? We have a little gummy mark up on the top. So I'm not actually sure if that can be rubbed out of it or not. Let me try it and see, give it a good stiff rub here. I think that's improved. I'll give it another rub. Okay, so I have given it another rub, and I will admit I actually took my first screen protector off and chucked it to the side because I could not get it to not have a bubble inside. So I've managed to get the second one on, and as far as I can see, pretty clear. Maybe one small mark here if I give that a rub. Yeah, everything seems okay on this one. So I really would recommend, if you're going to get a screen protector, that you buy a set of 2. They're not that expensive. So if you look out on eBay, you will get one with a set of 2, and I couldn't recommend that highly enough, because you could make a hash of the first attempt, just like I did, and then you would be stuck. So I think now it'll take me to use it for a few days and see, but you can actually see the edge of the screen protector, which probably does take away from the watch ever so slightly, but I think it's better than having a scratch on the screen. So I'll give that a few days, and I'll come back to you guys with my feedback on whether I would recommend it or not, but certainly in terms of protection it would be a good idea. So that's the little screen protector fitted. Unfortunately there's no way to protect the nice bezel area. I did see someone on YouTube had posted with a scratched bezel, so I'm going to have to be careful of that. I'm used to having a big G-Shock, and it takes a lot of abuse. Maybe this won't be just as strong, but let's find out. Okay, thanks for watching, and as usual, like and subscribe, and I'll show you a bit more of this lovely watch shortly. Thank you.